If you need to unlink a bank account from BNP Paribas, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the @com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select linked accounts. In account settings, find the option for linked accounts or external accounts. This section will display all accounts currently linked to your BNP Paribas account. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Identify the specific bank account you wish to unlink. Click on it to view more details and options related to that account. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. Look for an option to unlink or remove the selected account. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision, ensuring you complete any necessary verification steps. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully unlinked from BNP Paribas. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.